How do you know?
It's a guess.
Your mood. I'm always this happy.
Is that?
You know, say getting money is a must. It's a must. So everybody knows, say me, I know the door. I know the door. You know, say getting money is a must. It's a must.
Just useless, that's what you are. Thank you. I did.
Let me keep them unfortunate.
Yeah. At all.
It's very
nice. Yeah, it's very quiet.
But I go to get my hair done. By the end of it, you know everybody. Weekend.
3 sugars, right? It's like, you didn't get hairy like Sarah. Right? I don't know. I guess you like it.
I like
It's
funny.
really like, when did you get your tattoo? Like, you did not notice it? It's been a month.
It's cool. Oh, I think it's since we got married, you forgot the phone.
Yeah, that usually happens in the courting stage.
But I know you enjoy it.
Of course you did.
How do you know?
It's a guess.
Your mood. I'm always this happy.
Exactly. Maybe that's what it is. We're happy people. The ones that-